Hi everyone, this is Elena. In this video, I will show you how to install Data Analysis Plus on Mac. As you can see on screen that we only have Data Analysis now. And so the first step, we need to go to Google and then search for Data Analysis Plus. We choose the Data Analysis Plus on the carelessstatistic.com. We open that one, or you can otherwise go to the canvas. We will upload a file for that as well. And we choose the second one, the Data Analysis Plus with version 9.0, and then we choose download. I have already downloaded in my computer, so it is actually this file. And please make sure that when you install the Data Analysis Plus, you need to quit your previous Excel first, and then we open this Excel file. Choose Enable Macros, and then you choose the Excel. Well, as you can see that the Data Analysis Plus is there under the add-ins. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your watching. See you next video.